Kumpisa pala natin, Bibiana. Bungis-ngis ka na naman. Ako yung aking trabaho. Laging may break. Sana hindi natatapos yung ating trabaho dahil laging break si Ayana. Baby, pakalikot yung batang ito na. Napakalikot mo. Sarap mong itali. Gusto mong itali? Say hi to them. Say hi mga shots. Oh, disturb. Hindi pala siya sa mood. Dumidepende daw sa mood niya. Ang kanyang pagbablog. Oh. Ay, ng batang ite. Anong oras na? Mag-alas 12 na. Wala pa akong kape. Ni natin. Wala akong nainom yan na. Yung aking tiyan nagkahagurok na. Can we eat something? You want eggs? You want me to make eggs? Let's have eggs for breakfast. You want breakfast too? Kanina ka pa naman kain ng kain. Ako di man lang makakain. Oh, wala na, baby. Masisira yung ating baby Yana. Daddy will get mad. Wala tayong remote na. Here, hold it.
Alala, dyan ka na. Sigarat mong gara. Magpa-adapt ka na kay kain.
My baby is having her Yakult. Baby, you don't need to bite that, baby Yana. Oh, no playing, please. Ayana, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Drink. Don't play, drink. Okay? Or else I'm gonna take that away from you. Ayana, makulit naman. Patawarin, Lord. Patawarin, Lord. May bata akong makulit. Baby, hold upright and drink it. Like that. You have to... No, please. Ayana. Alam, matapo na talaga yan kasi nabuksan niya na. See? Ayaw niya pinapakilaman. No, don't poke it with your finger. It's gonna be a big hole there and you're gonna spill everything out. No. Wala naman akong ginagawa. Ayana, baby, please. No, you're holding wrong, baby. You're holding wrong. Don't turn upside down. Agoy ang batang ito. Why can't you listen? Huh? Mama is teaching yung aking ilong. Mukhang sisipunin na naman tayo nito. Bumabarado na naman yung aking nostril. Charot. May nostril. Yeah, that's how you do it, baby. Ayan na. Look up. Put that in your mouth. Ako, Diyos ko rin yung manibara. Bahala na nga siya dyan. Mag-enjoy na lang ako ng aking kape. May stress pa ako. Basta itong batang ito. Oh, you enjoy, baby. So, but you're wasting. Instead, you're going to put that in your mouth. And fill you up. Then, wala na. Sayang na talaga. Baby, ayan na. Bala kang ayan na. I will going to drink my coffee. Oh no. See? There's a big hole now. Once you're gonna turn that upside down, it's gonna spill everything out. No more na. Malaking butas na yan. Baby, don't spill it. Put in your mouth. Ay, wala na. Tapon na. See? Don't put your finger inside. Baby, ayan na. Ay, hindi ako makapag-edit mga shots. Ang dami kong mga ginagawa. Ay, akala ko may dumi ako dito. Screen lang pala. May something sa screen. Oh, moly. Holy moly. Ay, wala na. Binuhos na yan. Ay, wala na. Uy, yung aking sopa na bagong lang linis. Wait lang, baby. Wait. Kuy. Wait nga lang mga shots. Lalabas tayong dalawa. Mag-ESM sila. Uy, para kayong magjowa. Ay, para kayong magjowa. Panay kayo dikit ng dikit. Magjowa ba kayo? Ha? Tanungin ko si Jeda. Jeda, come here. Can I ask you something? Do you have jowa? Huh? Do you want to have jowa? No? What's your type? Kasi bukas pasok niya na. At saka si Jeda naman is, ano lang to. Yun, bukas may klase ka na, di ba? Oh. Tapos si Jeda, alam ko, pero, magagala daw sila sa SM. May pangapera kayo? Yes. Ha? Yes. Ha? Wala ka rin mamasahe, Jeda? Nalakad lang kayo? Malapit lang naman eh. Parang mga ang tataba nyo. Sila mga pera. Ako na naman yung may iwan ngayon. Anyway, nag-edit muna ako mga siya habang tulog yung isang anak ko. Tapos mamaya, ako, Diyos ko lang, hindi na pa ako tapos. Anyway, enjoy lang tayo. Hayaan mo yung mga kalat dyan. Malilinis din yan. Wala naman boss. Kasi ako yung boss. Anyway, mga shots. Tapusin ko lang yung aking pag-edit para meron akong ma-upload everyday. So far, so good tayo. Kasi mula nung Vlogmas 2024, nakompleto ko yun yung ating 30 days na Vlogmas. And this year, sabi ko parang gusto kong, kasi masyado namang mahaba pag yung whole day mo, whole day ba na video, masyado siyang mahaba for isang isang uploadan lang. So, I tried to make 2 videos a day. Kung kakayanin ng aking ang aking self. Yung mayroon akong time mag-edit. So, I tried my best na gawin yan twice a day now. So, anyway, muna ako mga shots tawag ito. Mag-edit muna ako kasi marami pa akong edit. 3 pa. So, tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakatapos ng ating pag-edit. See you later! What happened? Ang bilis mo naman nagising, anak. Gawa ni edit pa nga, hindi pa ako natapos. Gising na naman ng batang ito. Marami. That was a real quick nap. Uy, Diyos ko niyo, Marimar. Patawarin. Ang batang ito, where's my baby Yana? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Come on, get up. Show the vlog. Gising naman ang batang ito. Ang bilis naman natulog. Ha? What happened? Good morning. Ay, good afternoon na pala. Good afternoon, my baby Yana. Ay, oh, my phone. My phone, baby. It's okay. What happened? What happened, my baby Yana? Di ba makis? Oh. Oy. Say hello mga siya. What's up? Oh, the cat? What does the cat say? Meow. Meow. Oh. See? That's a cat? You like the cat? What does the cat say? Say hi mga shots. Flying kiss. Say hi mga shots. Hi mga shots. Tingnan natin kung mag-ano siya. Wala siya sa mood. Give them flying kiss and hug. Oh, hug. Flying kiss na lang. Flying kiss. Give them flying kiss. Anyway mga shots, ganito na yung sitwasyon namin. Natutulog na talaga kami sa Lagi naman kami natutulog sa sahig. Wala na yung kanyang playpen kasi sinira niya na. What happened, my baby Yana? Are you cranky again? Huh? Oh, you're so lucky you have a nap. Mommy, I don't have nap. Tayo na naman dalawa yan, ha? Alis si mama, si ate mo. Oh, come, let's go there. Let's go. Let's get up. Oh, come, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, yeah! Mga ate, pupunta na sila ng SM. Kambal talaga kayong dalaw. Tingnan yung mga buhok. Kuniyo, Marimar. Nahanap nyo yung sarili nyo.
Soulmate ko yan eh.
Kiss ate. Ate Jeda, kiss also. Ate Jeda, kiss daw. Yana. Kiss Yana. Kiss. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Oh, give them blank kiss. Blank kiss. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye daw siya. Nagbabay siya sa inyo. Flying kiss. Oh, flying kiss ate. Go, flying kiss. Ate, flying kiss. Flying kiss.
Bye, Mundi.
They're going to SM. Shana on. Okay, the flying kiss. Yay! Okay, flying kiss ka man. Ate. Yung langaw, pumasok na.
Uy, ang bakit mo!
It's here. Bibila ka, daddy is coming.
Ay.
She's eating.
Oh. Eating or dropping? Not dropping. Eating. Ay, bebe.
Daddy is here.
Where's the other one?
They went to SM.
Oh, this is come?
Yeah. I have no more money na. You didn't even tell me that you have parcel coming.
Okay, I kept telling you that I got 150. So where's the other one?
That's the only one.
No, they're supposed to be 10 plus 10.
No, that's the only one came.
The photographs also, babes.
When? Oh, my phone is charging. The other one is charging.
It's supposed to be 10 plus 10 wives.
That's a scam. Then that's the only one came, babe. 10 pieces. Is that 10 pieces? Yeah, it is 10
Yeah,
pieces.
10, but then 10's, also this one was like that one.
Oh, wala na. Binaliktad na yung pagkain niya. Ayan ang nangyayari. Ha?
Where's this one?
What? The what?
The packing.
It's in there. On the no, it's on the trash bin. Scam kasi yung tissue. Oh no. Baby Yana, good night. Good night, baby Yana. Ay, tulog na talaga siya. Sleeping. Oh, pikit-pikit pa siya. Joke or yarn? Antok na siya eh. Good night, Yana.